One pink wheel here. We've got a 2013 Honda Fit. We're going to replace the front brake pads. Okay, brake pad replacement. What we're going to want to do is, here's the caliper. We want to loosen this top bolt here, and we want to take this bolt all the way out. This will swing up, and then we'll have to hold it up. We will need a 14 millimeter socket for here, and of course brake pads. We will need some brake parts lubricant, and we will need a big C-clamp and maybe a piece of wood. Because after we take this up, we've got to push the piston back in so the new brake pads can fit. Okay, so before we push the piston back in, the brake piston, we want to just loosen the brake fluid cap. That way the fluid can actually push up, because we're going to push it in, so the fluid's going to come back up. Okay, so here's the difficult part. We do got to put a little bit of grease in here, but this clip has to go down like that. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bit of spring there. And we got to fit the new brake pads in, and both top and bottom have a spring, so it's difficult to get it in. Okay, so now we got those brake pads in. The next thing is we got these springs, and there's four holes, two on the top, two on the bottom, and springs go in like this in the holes. But what they're going to want to do is they're going to want to push the brake pads out, and we're going to need to bring the caliper down. So we got to put if the springs push it out too far, they're going to pop out. We don't want that to happen, so it might be a little bit tricky. Another thing to do now is to try to get some grease in the hole for the caliper piston, so it doesn't seize up.